Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to save a draft message on WhatsApp with just a few simple steps. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once you're inside, select a chat, either with a person or a group, where you want to save your draft message. Now, in the chat, start typing your message in the text box at the bottom of the screen. You can type a short or long message. It doesn't matter. To save it as a draft, don't send the message. Instead, just exit the chat by tapping the back arrow or using your phone's back button to return to the chat list. WhatsApp will automatically keep your message in the text box, even if you leave the chat or switch to another app. When you come back, your message will still be there, ready for you to send or edit. If you look at the chat list, you'll notice a small draft labeled beneath the name of the person or group. To view or send your draft, just open the chat again, and you'll see your message right where you left it. From here, you can either send, modify, or delete the draft message as needed. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.